I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I wanted to remind you that J Dolls UK and I will once again be hosting the Dolls Gone Goth. This month it's going to be Lady Leprechauns. You can do with that anything you want. The idea was, rather than dressing our dolls in the traditional green and gold for leprechauns, that we go with gray and black. And our dolls, rather than loving gold, love silver, or as Darren said, platinum. And you can do anything with that you want. You can do a regular leprechaun. You can just show us a leprechaun. And we will post those videos on March 16th. It's always the 16th with the Dolls Gone Goth. I had an idea. I was on a live with Let's Talk About It with Jamie, and there were quite a few people there. And the Dolls Gone Goth came up. Someone asked, are we doing something this month? And a couple people said they like the idea, but they don't have black clothes for their blights. Well, I had already had this idea and wanted to show you. I bought this little black dress from AliExpress, and I paid less than $4 for it. I think it's real cute. It's just a little black dress. And you know what they say about little black dresses. This would fit a Barbie, a smaller Barbie, or a Blythe doll. Any of your small dolls, you could snip it, you could leave it as is. If it were me, I would leave it as is, because most of the challenges that we put out, you could use this dress as your foundation and then just add accessories and, you know, a belt maybe or anything. Today she's the Lady Leprechaun bar server, and she is holding her silver tray of green beer. I'm going to show you these. They're really cute. Let me put her back in the stand. Darren made these little, well, he made the tray too. I love that 3D printer. I say again, if you are thinking about getting one, stop hesitating. You will have a great time. Look at these little mugs. Oh my God, is that cute? It's got like a Celtic, he did like a Celtic design on the side. I just think these are adorable. And the little silver tray has handles and everything. Isn't that cute? And it's just fun. And they look so cute sitting on a little table. Thank you, Ella Avar, for this little table. And there you go. With a little black dress, your doll too could do any of the challenges. But the truth is, we don't care what color you dress them in. We just love it that you join in with us. J Doll UK's link is in the description. Please go by and see the video that she has for you today. When you post your videos on the 16th of March, the hashtag will be DollsGoneGothLeprechaun. If you don't know how to spell leprechaun, and not many of us do, look it up, because everybody that goes to that folder will go look at all of the videos, and you will get more viewers if you use that hashtag. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.